Are you up for a grilling challenge that will test your skills and taste buds? Imagine the sizzle of the grill, the tantalizing aroma of food cooking, and the satisfaction of creating a culinary masterpiece. Today, we're diving into the world of interactive grilling, where we'll be pushing the boundaries of traditional outdoor cooking. We're going beyond the usual suspects of burgers and hot dogs to explore a world of surprising ingredients and unique recipes. Welcome to our interactive grilling challenge. We'll be trying out some unique and delicious recipes today. First up, we're grilling a gourmet burger with a twist. This isn't your run-of-the-mill burger. We're talking 1 pound of ground beef, a 1/4 cup of crumbled blue cheese, and the same amount of caramelized onions. Add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon each of garlic powder and salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and you've got yourself the makings of a mouth-watering patty. You'll grill these for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and in the last minute, top with blue cheese. Toast your brioche buns on the grill for a minute, then assemble. Start with a layer of mayonnaise, followed by lettuce, a slice of tomato, a strip of cooked bacon, your patty, and top it off with caramelized onions. This gourmet burger packs a total of 2,300 calories, or 575 per serving. That's your gourmet burger with a twist. Are you ready for the next challenge? Next on our grilling challenge is a dessert grilled fruit salad. This isn't your ordinary fruit salad, we're taking it to the next level by adding some heat. For this recipe, you'll need a pineapple, 2 peaches, and 2 bananas. Start by peeling, coring, and cutting the pineapple into rings. Halve and pit the peaches, and slice the bananas lengthwise. Brush the fruits with a tablespoon of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Now, preheat your grill to medium heat. That's around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the fruits for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're beautifully caramelized. Next, chop up your grilled fruits and combine them with a cup of Greek yogurt and a 1/4 cup of chopped mint leaves. This dessert grilled fruit salad is not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a healthy treat with a total of 800 calories, or 200 per serving. That's your dessert grilled fruit salad. Now, onto our final challenge. The final dish in our grilling challenge is a savory grilled avocado dish. This recipe calls for 2 avocados, halved and pitted, a 1/4 cup each of diced cherry tomatoes, finely chopped red onion, and chopped cilantro. You'll also need the juice of 1 lime, a tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's get to grilling. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. That's somewhere between 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush your avocados with the olive oil, then place them cut side down on the grill. Give them about 2 to 3 minutes. While your avocados are grilling, combine the tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper in a bowl. Once your avocados have that nice char, spoon this mixture into the grilled avocado halves. Voila! This dish adds up to 640 calories in total, or 160 calories per serving. And that's your savory grilled avocado dish. Now here comes the twist. Introducing a secret ingredient, smoked paprika. This vibrant spice with its sweet, smoky flavor is the game changer your grilling has been waiting for. Whether it's a gourmet burger, a grilled fruit salad, or a savory avocado dish, smoked paprika is ready to elevate your recipes to new heights. Imagine the smoky undertones it will bring to your burger, the spark of excitement in your fruit salad, the depth it will add to your avocado dish. Incorporate the smoked paprika into each dish for an added challenge and flavor boost. Recap of the gourmet burger, grilled fruit salad, and savory grilled avocado recipes. Today, we've ventured beyond the traditional, exploring the endless possibilities of grilling. We've created a gourmet burger with a twist, a dessert fruit salad with a grill-kissed sweetness, and a savory avocado dish that's a game changer. The secret ingredient, smoked paprika, has added an extra layer of complexity to each dish. Remember to share your creations and subscribe for more interactive cooking challenges.